Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we'll be exploring what it means to be creative, as well as how we can better express ourselves with courage. And what does it take to color outside the lines? Before we dive into this exploration, take a moment to tune into this present moment by bringing yourself to a comfortable seated position. Gently elongate the spine, neck included, and then allow your arms to rise up overhead for a momentary stretch. And then release them back down to rest on the thighs, the knees, or in your lap. Draw your attention now to the breath, mindfully watching the path it takes from the outer world to the inner, and then back out again. Notice your breath's current rhythm and depth as you begin to settle more comfortably into this space. With every mindful breath we take, the racing mind softens and we become more receptive to whatever is here right now. Continuing to breathe mindfully, expand your awareness to include any other sensations you might be experiencing. Perhaps you notice a tingling sensation, a tightness, a softening, or an expansion. Whatever is the case for you right now, simply witness each sensation without any judgment, inviting the breath deep into any areas of tension if discomfort is present. Inhale a sense of nourishment and inspiration, and exhale all tension, all fear, and any discomfort that might be present. If you feel completely at ease in this moment already, simply continue to watch the breath move through you, cleansing you as it does so. Take just a few more breaths in silence, releasing any rising thoughts with each exhalation. Creativity is often believed to be something exclusive to people such as painters, poets, and playwrights. And while these people do tend to embody a high degree of creativity, the essence of creativity is something much broader than this. Creativity is the use of imagination or inventiveness to create something new and original. And by this definition, creativity is something that all of us embody. Whether on paper or canvas, or in our homes and relationships, creativity expresses itself in numerous ways. In the words of writer Elizabeth Gilbert, if you're alive, you're a creative person. Creativity is required to navigate complicated relationships just as much as it's needed to compose a great piece of music. Of course, these are very different examples of the use of creativity, but at the core of them, they require the same things: courage, confidence, and a willingness to step beyond the familiar. To be creative, we need to be willing to make mistakes, to be willing to color outside of the lines. Through mistakes, we learn. Through coloring beyond our boundaries, we discover we are capable of far more than we had previously imagined. So take a moment now to return to your breath, silently inviting your innate capacity for creativity to rise to the surface. Now silently repeat the words, "My imagination has no bounds." I honor my unique expression of creativity. I am willing to draw outside of the lines. Continuing to breathe slowly and steadily with these affirmations lingering in the mind, notice how it feels to honor the creative energy within your being. And if the mind intervenes to deny your embodiment of creativity, gently invite these self-limiting beliefs into the heart for healing and release. When it comes to creativity, it is not possible to compare ourselves to any standards we might hold. Our creative energy and potential is unique to who we are as individuals. Take another deep breath in, all the way to the base of the belly. And as you exhale, release any fears, any limitations, or any standards you might hold for yourself in relation to creativity. Gently allow the heart space to open wider on your next inhalation, inviting your courage and confidence to rise alongside your creativity. Take just a few more slow and steady breaths now, silently honoring your unique creative potential. Observe the natural ebb and flow of one more breath. And then shift your attention back to your physical presence in this room. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.